try my best. And it's time for the win.
Crazy time. Are you?
You wish. Oh, come on! Yes! Okay.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Still is a top round winner. Biggest shout out to you. Oh, for real. Hello to you too. Hi. Hello. Bad beginner, good ender. You know what? All that matters is the finish line. Exactly. And that's our close. Ron, shout out to you. I agree. Oh, look at how shiny my hair is today. Wow. Looks pretty good. Thank you, Sue Ross. Thank you. Try my best. And it's time for the win. Compliments to you. We landed on our first crazy time of this session. Let's go. Come on in. Okay, so welcome to Crazy Time, everyone. We have green, we have blue, and we have yellow. Choose your favorite color to flapper, and let's see what are we gonna get. You ready? Okay, decision time is now closed. Max multiplier to catch is a 100x. Good luck. So it seems that we caught a double on the top flapper blue, everybody. If you chose the blue one, I saw that most people did. If you chose the blue one, max multiplier possible to use a 200x. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 83,500 euros.
And a 200x on blue, 15x on green, and 20x on yellow. Woo! Wow, welcome back from the crazy time. Congratulations to the winners. 200x on blue, compliments to you and best wishes with the new spin. Well done, everybody. What a great start. What a great start. And the betting time is now closed. Good luck. Supermax and serious.
I would say it's like a double tease. Come on, Flapper, no more tease. We need crazy time. We are eagerly waiting. We are longing for crazy time. One with a 50x top slot. How many of you would like to get that one? Let's go for Pachinko. Let's see the multipliers. 200x and there's the double. Let's go for the double or the highest. So let's stop the pot. Come on, double or 200x. Double or 200x. Come on. Come on. Okay, 200. No, 200. 200.
This is the amount of money issued, 97,475 euros.
Let's keep on going. Bingo Plus, you are the top winner. Hello, Isabel. You're looking very pretty today. Thank you. But I will look prettier tomorrow because tomorrow is a hair wash day. my hair. 7x on a conscience. Come on, wheel. Bada bing, bada boom. We got a conscience. Hi. Welcome to the conscience. I bet you did not expect that to happen. So many 100x's. No way. And we have 7 exams, like guys. Look at this board. So many 700s. Oh my, this is beauty to my eyes. Beauty. Never ever seen beauty. So guys, you have such a high chance to catch 700x for yourself. I mean, did you see what multipliers we had? Like, no matter what you get, it's still gonna be good, right guys? It's still gonna be good. Okay, pick a target. Autopick is also an option for you. I will go with this star right here. It's calling me.
This is the amount of money issued 101,610 euros.
X's. Crazy 142 of you got set.
Hi. Welcome to crazy time. It is crazy time. Yeah. 2x multiplier from the top slot. Here we go. Wow, 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 wee wow. Wow, wow, wee wow. So, pick your flapper. What is it going to be? Is it going to be the green one, blue one, yellow one? You decide, you choose. How do you want to spend your afternoon? I honestly don't know what day is it today. However, top multiplier for 100. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued for 147,673 euros.
So, let's go. They're waiting us. Yo, Party Penguin, how's life? 5x on the 2 top slot. The whole wheel got a, how it's called? Queens to place. I don't know. I know 4 is quadro and 5 is like quinta. Seems like. So, multiplies on 5. Yo, Party Fish, careful. What you doing there? You seem magic. Ah, you survived? Well done. Seems you used to. Okay, 3 floppers, green, blue, yellow. Choose one that looks at you. And don't forget there's tail, a lot of doubles, and a lot of triples. Oh, baby, max look at that. 500, good luck! Come on, give us billions. That's why we're here. Billions. Oh, that's double and green. Woohoo! Oh, proper, I forgot to buy. That's okay. It's normal. It's normal. It's normal. No worries. So the whole wheel doubled. Now maximum by 1. Maybe triple now. Green, let's catch triple, huh? You ready? For triple. Triple. Yo, double here. Who's that girl? La la la, Sophia is her name. Okay, the whole will double. And you know what? Growing. 2kx max multiplier now. Let's dance, Parpingly. Do you know any other moments?
This is the amount of money issued 874,725 euros.
Double bait. Haha! 300x green. Woo! 125x yellow. 75x green. 25,000 follow that hands up for you. Woo! Look at the triple digit multipliers to all of you. 125 follow, 300 dreamy. Keep doing. Pretty just hearing your voice. What is that supposed to mean? Can you not see me? Do I look like a monster? Gabby, can I call you mine? Well, you can call me however you want to call me, okay? It's a deal. Better closed? I wish you all good luck. I'll call you mine. That wasn't the deal. No, I let someone else call me mine. 5x and crazy time. Anyways, highest multiplier today, 1,400x on crazy time. Ah! Are you kidding me? I think we got a little bit crazy here. Let's open the red door. Come with me. Hey, happy to see you here in the crazy top world. We're actually gonna have something crazy to happen here. Oh, I hope y'all are ready because we have a 5x from the top slot and it's gonna be wild. Crazy. I was crazy once. Locked me in a room. Nah, just kidding. Okay, 5x is applied and it's your time to choose. We got 3 beautiful colors, guys. Got the yellow, the blue, and the green. So choose. Come on. Here we go. Well, as always, I do wish y'all best of luck. And the highest multiplier for this spin is going to be 500x. Let's press the button. Boink. Good luck. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's crazy. We got 500x on yellow one, but we got a double on the green one. So let's double everything. And for the green ones, 1,000x is the highest multiplier now. Let's go. What's gonna be? Good luck to you. Another one. Another double for the green one. This is kind of crazy. I am not gonna lie. Okay. So 2,000x now for my green friends is the highest multiplier. Let's go. That's exciting. Good luck to you.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,420,638 euros.
Crazy. You wish. Oh, come on! Yes! Okay, stay cool, everybody. We got a crazy time. Come on, baby. 7x top slot. Hey, yo! We got it, boys, girls, ladies, and gentlemen. What's up? 7x top slot, baby. So before we make the spin, you gotta multiply all the other multis by 7x. You know it. All right, everybody, choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. You only get one shot at this. If you don't make a decision, auto-pick can choose for you. And then we make the spin. All right, few more seconds. For the maximum multiplier, 1,400x here at the moment. Let's aim for higher. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,515,771 euros.
40 blue, 175 green, 1.4k on yellow. Woo! Let's go, baby. 8,000 winners. Tag with 135k. Good game, 130k. Was it Archie with a 40,000? Come on, baby. Yes. Woo! We got it. 1,400 on that yellow flapper, baby. Woo! We are fire. Yes.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, Money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.